Alright, so I guess maybe we can, hold on. Maybe I do the daily problem first, and then we do some Leet rooms, and then I will do the contest. Make some bets, we'll do the contest live, see if our rating goes up or down. Here we go, so daily problem. Hopefully it's not a dang hard problem, man. What's it gonna be? This one? Lexicographical numbers. Already solved it, so I'll just reset. Given an integer n, return all the numbers in the range 1 to n sorted in lexicographical order. You must write an algorithm that runs in O(n) time and uses O1 extra space. Dang. O(n) time? What are you talking about, man? So Q Ultimus in the house. What's happening, Q? How are you gonna do this in O(n) time? Let's see. I guess you gotta visit all the things that start with 1 first. And then you add 0. Should I just BFS this? Can I BFS? 1 through n. I'm gonna try and BFS. Right? So I'll just push 1 through 9. And no, I shouldn't BFS. I should DFS. Oh wait, O1 space. Dang, you're right. O1 space. $50,000. How are you gonna do that in O1 space and 50,000? I mean, is DFS considered O1 space? I don't know, man. Because there's a call stack, right? Oh, BetSimp, what's happened? Man, how would you get that? 1, because I'll just DFS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or whatever, and then, you know, each number goes deeper, you know, adds 1 more digit and goes deeper. But let me think. O(n) time 50,000. All right. Did I just type vector int q? That's crazy. Oh snap. Taking the contest, very nice. I'm also taking the contest. Why not? Alright, 1 to n. So I go 1. And then I go 1 times 10. And all of those. And I go 1 times 100. Let me think. Alright, 1 to 9. And then it goes up to 50,000. So does that mean 10,000? 10 times. And then we just keep multiplying by 10. Oh. I don't know what I'm talking about, man. up to 5 times. No, 10 times 10. I don't know, let's just say 5. And then Banana Butcher, what's happening from YouTube? And then it's like so if I, all right, let me see. So if it's 1 and it comes in here, I don't know what I'm doing, man. I don't even, look how many people solve this. I mean, I guess you could just do a dang n log n. That's easy, right? But we're not trying to do a n log n. And I guess we just go up until, like, if this number is within the range n. So that would be x equal 1. Or maybe this should be 0 through 5 or something, right? Then should this be plus? Or times? I don't know what to do here, man. So I'm trying to get 1 and then 10. $11, $12, $13, $14. I don't know if that's how we do it though. I'm confusing myself a little bit. This is not a great way to start the contest warm-up. Alright, we add single digits. Yes, and then we add all the double digit numbers starting with 1. So these are the single digits. Then how do we get all the double digit numbers starting with 1? It's like we gotta multiply by 10, right? What happens if there are 3 or 4 digits? Yeah, then after you get all the numbers starting, double digit numbers starting with 1, then you get all the 3 digit numbers starting with 1. So that's basically all. So it's like 1s or just 1, and then 10s, and then 100s, and then 1000s, and then 10,000s. Right? So I need to iterate through all of these for each digit. 2 in like that order. Right? We gotta come up with this easy formula, man. It can't be that difficult. Looks pretty straightforward. So alright, the first digit is just 1, and the next one is the range has 10 numbers, and then it's from 10, 0 included, to 19. This one has 100 numbers, 1,000 numbers, 10,000 numbers, right? So 1, I guess it's 10 to the 1, 2, 10 to, all right, 10 to the 0, 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2, 10 to the 3, 10 to the 4, right? Wait, wouldn't it be like, oh, Q, what are you talking about, man? Is that true? Wouldn't it be like 1, oh man, it would be. No. I don't know, man. Would it be like that? Yeah. What's lexicographically short? Does it like I don't know if it goes from 10 to 100 or does it go 10 11? No, for sure it goes 10 to 100, right? I don't know how to do this. This problem seems too hard for me, man, to do it in ON time and O1 extra space. Everybody's doing it. All right, 100, 100. Let's do backtracking. But I can't implement backtracking without recursion. I don't know how to do it. I guess I could think about a stack, but even a stack is not O1, right? Oh, what's happening, don't defense? Alright. Yeah, I'm trying to think of O1 extra space, man. That feels like it's tough. O1 extra space. So yes, you can't implement with O1 if you do shady shit. What does that mean, man? I wonder if there's some way that we can just programmatically go ON in lexicographical order. What does that mean? That means we gotta go through all the ones. So it's like one. Alright. From alright, if it was like 50,000, right? The first few digits would be 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 10,000, right? Are those the first few digits? Let me just do something to see what's up. Let me see what the answer is for this. All right, first few digits look like that. Dang. How the hell are we gonna do this in O1 time, man? I don't know. I actually don't know what to do. Hit them with the 1 times 10. All right, it's 10 to the 0, 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2, 10 to the 3, 10 to the 4, and 10 to the 5, right? Wait. No. There's no 10 to the 5. There's only 10 to the 4. And then once we hit that, how do we get all the other numbers, man? All right. I got some ideas. It's gonna look real ugly. I'm thinking of some kind of brute force. Maybe I do all of these, like I add all the 1-digit numbers. No. I had an idea, but I don't think it's gonna work. I don't even know what I was thinking, man. H Burke 11, what's happened? Maybe bit manipulation. I hate it. Bit manipulation. I'll use bit manipulation here. 10. Are you saying alright, I give up, man. I give up. I really can't think of anything. I don't even have any hints here. So I'm just gonna read some titles. DFS. Wait, you guys tell me DFS doesn't count as O1 space, so how the hell they're gonna do DFS? I can't see anyway, but alright, let's see. Which solution should I check? The editorial? Is DFS O1 space? No. Iterative. What are you doing? So they go from current number. Start from 1. I don't know what this is doing, man. So I guess you just keep multiplying. So you're on the 1s, so you multiply by 10. But then if it's not in the limit, then you keep going up. Anyways, let's do something else, man. Oh snap, Chi Impact. I didn't hear that, man. Do I have my sound on? Yeah, I couldn't even saw the daily, man. Let's do elite rooms though. I said I'm gonna try the daily. I couldn't do it, and then elite rooms has some new features. I'm trying to check them out right now. I'm about to do it right now. So apparently, we can select questions on elite rooms now. That's what I've been heard on the streets. So let me try that. Let's make elite rooms with some questions that we're gonna select. Let's select like some 0 tracks. Let's say 1600 to 2000 rated questions only. I'll give you one. All right, I'll give you 962. Wait, how do we do this? 9. Did I say 962 or 926? Which other ones do you guys want, man? You want from A 1700. Let's hit them with the 2962. 2962. Which other one? Something a little bit harder. Maybe a 1800. 2302 or a 1230. Let's hit them with the 1230, man. All right, one more. Oh, snap. 1230 not on here. It's crazy talk. It took it out. Crazy. All right, let's try 2302. Ooh, hard one. All right, one more problem I'll select. 1546. Are you guys ready? 45 minutes, man. Let's see if this feature is bumping. All right, there's Elite Rooms. We got 4 problems ranging from 1600 to about 1900, 1855. So the room shouldn't be too hard. Well, not too easy. Why don't you do 18 to 21? Man, I'm just trying to chill. That's why. I'm not trying to do anything crazy right now. I gotta save that brain juice for the contest. Alright, here we go. Wait, did I paste it? I didn't even give you. Oh, I did give you. Let me pin this message. Alright, flip string to monotone increasing. Oh, Rexo Sabe, what's happening, man? How you doing? A binary string is monotone increasing if it consists of some number of zeros, possibly none, followed by some number of ones, possibly none. You're given a binary string S, you can flip SI, changing it from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0. Return the minimum number of flips to make S monotone increasing. Minimum number of flips. Okay. I'm thinking we need to, so if we see a 0, then it's the count of how many ones to the left, right? No. Well, man, I should do this real quick. Real quick. My brain ain't quick enough today. Alright, if I see a 1, how many zeros to the right? Dang, Raxo, how you do that so fast, man? Come on. You make you leave the room. You saw that so quick. I'm thinking I gotta count how many ones to the right. No. How many zeros to the right? How many ones to the left? That's what I need to know. Zeros to the right, ones to the left. Right? So this one is ones to the left. Dang, you just solved that real easy too. Everybody's so fast. Should I do this after or before? Right, and then I need a zeros to the right. Yeah. And then I iterate through, and then I check what the good answer is. So if the current character is a 0, that means I gotta check no, I think I'm doing this wrong, man. I think I'm confused. I gotta remember the furthest 0 to the right. Man, I have a feeling I'm not performing well today. All right. Flip the last digit. All right, so I think I need to remember the first one or the last 0. Yeah? All right, the first one, and then flip all the zeros, or the last 0, and we flip all the ones, right? First one, or last 0. All right, let me try that. How do you do that, man? All right, if it's the first one, then we count how many zeros to the right. I went to grab pizza. Sorry. Wait, why are you apologizing, man? Alright, this is how many zeros to the right of the first one, and then I'll do the same thing for the last 0. And then it's how many ones to the left of that last 0. And then Jesus. Hopefully this is right, man. Too many typos. That's what they're trying to tell me. Submitted so many times, it bans me. Wrong answer? Come on, man. How am I gonna... Alright, zero's right. That should be 1. What are you talking about, man? Oh, I put max there. That should be min. Uh-oh. Thought I had it. But no, I didn't. So I'm saying 6. My answer is 5. How could it be 5? Oh, snap. I see. Maybe like hit one of them with a 0. And then it changed the other. Okay, so every index it needs to know how many ones to the left. Oh, Jesus, I can't believe this problem got me. Ones to the left. Alright, if it's a 0, ones to the left. And ew, how do you do this problem, man? 10 to the 5th. Am I that rusty today? Jesus. Maybe my brain is still waking up, man, because I just took a nap. I had some pizza last night. I had a slice of barbecue chicken pizza, man. It was real good. I really enjoy barbecue chicken pizza. From which restaurant? Just from like a local pizza window. Not really a chain restaurant. Yo, I can't do this problem. I can't even do the easiest problem in this room, man. It's not great. Let me think. Can I do some type of DP here? No. That's too... I don't think it's too crazy now. Let me take it back. It must have something to do with how many zeros to the right and ones to the left. Where's that wrong test case that I got? Alright, this one, you flip this first one to a 0. And you flip all them zeros here to ones, and that's the answer. I wonder if it's something different, completely different than what I'm thinking. Maybe like some type of binary search or what, you know? No, I'm thinking crazy stuff, man. All right. Hey, Flumsy, what's happening, man? I'm checking out your elite rooms, and I chose some problems that I should be able to solve, and I can't even solve any of them, or I haven't tried all of them. I only tried the first one, but still, man. How's it going with you, Flumsy? Thank you for this cool ass update to Elite Rooms. I know, man, it's been a while since I've done Elite Rooms, but I should probably use it more often, you know. But I don't do LeetCode as much anymore. I guess that's why. I don't see any green problems. Yeah, just mediums, man. Brent Arata, how you doing? I never knew the Bay Area airport parking hack is to park your car at the San Bruno BART station and BART to the airport to save on ride and share and parking fees. Dang, anytime I have to park at that airport, I used to use, I used to park at some hotel. But then I have to take a dang Uber or something, you know. And it was like Parking Hero or Spot Hero or some website where you can purchase parking for places, and lots of hotels sell their parking lot for people like that, you know. And it used to come out to maybe like $5 a day for parking. But it was still expensive, man. Especially after you factor in the Ubers and whatnot. Alright, do we just flip it? Hey, this is crazy talk, man. Tell me I can't do this problem. To the 5th. I think I might be overcomplicating it. Yeah, I think so, man. It's definitely within my range, but I can't even be thinking of nothing to solve it, man. I'm gonna bomb the contest tonight. Maybe I should not take the contest. What do y'all think? Oh man, I need to go take a nap. Go back to sleep. Been sleeping all week? Man, I have not been sleeping all week. I'm out on an injury. Dang. How bad is your injury, Q? And how much longer do you think you'll be out? One, two. I just ripped off my big toenail. Dang. Ugh. Sounds like it hurts. I didn't want to think about that. Can't wear closed-toed shoes for work. Probably another week. Dang. Hey, I actually don't know what to do here, man. I'm about to give up. Rishank Mudgal from YouTube. How are you doing, man? Welcome to the party. Alright, I'm skipping this problem, moving on to something else. Can't believe it. Maximum number of non-overlapping subarrays with sums equal to target. Given an array nums and an integer target, return the maximum number of non-empty, non-overlapping subarrays such that the sum of the values in each subarray is equal to target. Is something wrong with me today, man? Every problem sounds really hard. Target is non-overlapping. 1, 2. Pixel Pusher, thank you very much for the hydrates. Cheers. Oh, Type Racer. Let's do this real quick. Q. Alright, here is the link for the Type Racer. Gabriel Xavier from YouTube, what's happening? Gabriel says, what's up, Twitch little people? How you gonna call the Twitch people little, man? Rishank says, I am really stuck, kindly help out. How to solve new problems I come across. I get stuck in logic building. How can I find different LeetCode problem patterns? I think you can get better by solving more problems, keep practicing, and all the patterns are, there are so many different lists. You got the LeetCode, you got LeetCode list, you got Blind 75, you got the Take You Forward, you got Sean Prashad. Everybody has a list that breaks it down into patterns, man. Just choose any one of them and you'll be alright. But the key is you actually have to practice solving problems. No Colin Chris, what's happening? You want to bet? Alright, who's in here? Chi-Chi is in here. Who else? What are we gonna bet on? Will I get triple digits? That's what we'll bet on in the championship round. So this is the warm-up round. We're not betting on this round. We're betting on will I get triple digits in the championship round, which is after this. Place your bets. I guess you guys can see me playing the warm-up round. Let's do it. Let's get warmed up. Type Racer, give me a ticket for excessive speed? I don't believe you, Gabriel. Where are you at? I am the police here, man. I should see you speeding and give you those tickets, but I don't see anybody speeding except Pixel Pusher. Dang, there's a lot of people in here today. Dang, I'm not even logged in. Come on, man. Come on. Alright, I just hit 97 without being logged in. Imagine if I was logged in. I'd have killed it. Alright, let me go to this racetrack. And the next round is the championship round. Banana Butcher, you wanna play too? Here's a link. That's the link. Alright, we gotta wait. 1 minute until the championship round begins, man. If you want to race, I paste. Oh, you know what? I didn't paste the link in my Discord. Don't Defense is gonna trip. He's gonna trip, man. Alright, I just pasted. Dang, I pasted it twice in the Discord. I should have just pasted it one time. Wait, he's here? Oh, snap. Where's he at? He's hiding. He ruined the odds? Oh, snap. Oh, he's gonna say no. Man, I gotta get triple digits now. Could have had 2v2s. Yeah, maybe next time. Alright, you guys ready? 20 seconds until the championship round. I'm gonna type racer cam out. Oh, lordy. Alright, you guys ready? It's about to go down, man. Whew. Alright, let's go. Championship round about to begin. Ooh, 102, what's up? Oh yeah, what's up? What you know about that, man? Anyways, Pixel Pusher 164, six pack sexy 119. Where's zone defense at? Guest maybe? Chi-Chi's been practicing in triple digits. Dang, Chi-Chi Impact 95. Very nice. Clistar 85. Icy Black Deep 72. Q 102. And me 102. But you beat me. 5th place, 6th place. Alright, Pixel Push at 164. Let me put that down. Pixel Pusher 164. Dang, 89th win. And then where's the bet? Where's the bet? The bet was, will I get greater than 100? Yes, I got 102. Very good, very good. Clistar, easy money. Elite Whale, Isaac Codes. Very nice. 164. Hey, Pixel Pusher, somebody said you're cheating. Peter Ramadeles. Nah, this guy is legit, man. He's top 200 in the world type racer. And I think he uses a Newfie Air 75 or something. I think he's, I don't even know if a Numphy Air, whatever it's called. And he's got GMK Hammerhead keycaps. And he's posted videos of how insane he types. But he is legit, man. That's not even the fastest he's done. Check this out. The fastest times, the top 16 fastest, all from Pixel Pusher. 206 WPMs. That's what I recommend to Chi-Chi as well, and I recommend the brand in Midnight's Discord. Yeah. It seems to be the recommended keyboard around these parts. Some of the fastest typers out here use it. Wait, it's slow compared to the real fastest in the world. Yeah, man, but everyone else in the world doesn't count. The only people in our world are on this leaderboard. Alright, I gotta solve at least one problem, man. We can't be having no problem solved before the contest. Wait, Personally, which sheet will you recommend? Man, I don't really know. I'd say I use just LeetCode Explorer, man. I use LeetCode Explorer and I use Grokking the coding interview like 5 years ago, 4 years ago. So this might be outdated, but I think all the lists are very similar. Just hit LeetCode Explorer for now, man. You'll be alright. Beginner's Guide to LeetCode or stuff like that, you know. Wait, the fact that I recommend is more important than the fastest typer using it. Yeah. Don't Defense has really good recommendations for keyboards. Man, you got a dang one of them IBM keyboards too, right? One of them spring buckle keyboards or something. Do you have one? I think you do. Alright, maximum number of non-overlapping subarrays with sum equals target. Where the sum equals a target, man. Hey, how come I can't solve anything today? Is this some type of prefix sum? Man, when did I solve this? 2 years ago almost. One, two, or 1, 2. Alright, this one, the target is 6, so we could get 1, 2. I wonder if we can use prefix sums. And then the target, we're looking for the target, and we just gotta make sure that the target is after, maybe that's, all right, let me try. Let me try to explain and then let me try and implement. So our sum, our prefix sum would be like a map 0, -1 maybe. And then, so now we're iterating through, we add this to the sum, our sum is now -1. So we see the sum of -1 at index 0, and we keep iterating through. Well, we also have to find the target. But we'll do that in a bit. So right now, wait, -1. So this would be 2 at index 1. And then 5. So that's sum of 7 at index 2. But here, it's like the target, our super target, I guess, would be the sum minus the target. So here our sum is 7 because this is our sum, our running sum. Target would be 1. There's no target of 1, so that means we can't make that subarray sum yet. And now our sum is 8 when we go here. And our target would be 2, and there's a 1. Or there's something there. Yes. And then now, So I put that last index that we can use is 3. Alright, I cannot use the D5. It just doesn't click with the brain. Yeah. I think that's what's happening with Q's new keyboard, or the one I built Q. He can't. The keyboard is just slow. Can't click. Alright, I want to try some prefix some things here, man. So then this is the last index that we used. So if it's greater than the last, then we're good. And then we can update last. I don't even know what I'm doing, so what am I doing? How did that not work? Should be greater than equal to? Alright, we got one problem. Oh, Jesus. Alright, what time, how much time do we have before the contest? Hour 30 minutes, dang. How much time? 7 minutes in this room. Can I do one more problem in this room or what? I mean, I've solved all these problems. I should be able to do them. Count subarrays where max element appears at least k times. You're given an integer array nums and a positive integer k. Return the number of subarrays where the maximum element of nums appears at least k times in that subarray. I'll do sliding window maybe. So add that to my map, my window. What do we want? At least k times. So while there's something in the map and the largest element is no, I know what we gotta do. I gotta use the bathroom, man. I'll be right back. Should I try and do this problem? Or what? I don't want to do. I'm feeling lazy. I'm feeling more and more lazy about LeetCode the less I do LeetCode. It takes a lot of energy to think about these problems these days. Should we do another Leet Rooms? Random problems? I don't think I got energy to pick up problems. Easies. Alright, let's do easy room real quick. 15-minute easy room. Right? Everybody should be able to do those. Let's just cruise. Alright, here we go. Easy problems, man. I'm just gonna run through these. Remove element. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all the occurrences of val in nums in place in the order of the order of the elements may be changed, then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Wait, what? Alright. So we gotta figure out how many we removed. So if this number is equal to that value, then we gotta basically swap it to the back. Dang, Leet Whale, too easy. So fast. Oh, wait. Wait, how do you remove a number? Oh, wait. Maybe if it's not equal to there, then we swap it to the front. Alright, that got me thinking, man. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's try and do Q2. Then everyone's gonna win. Find k-distant indices. You're given a 0 index integer array nums and 2 integers key and k. A k-distant index is an index of I of nums for which there exists at least one index j such that the difference of I and j is less than or equal to k and nums j is equal to key. Return a list of all k-distant indices sorted in increasing order. What are you talking about, man? Interesting. Index I, for which there exists at least one index j. I see. So I guess I can just brute force this. So I iterate through each index, and I'll just like expand from that index going both left and right. And it's the index. Okay, so like while I plus k less than n, or I minus k greater than or equal to 0, then one of those indices are in bounds, right? And I should check if I plus k less than n nums. So if that's equal to the key, then this index I should add it in here, right? And then I'll check the other one. I minus k is within bounds, and that's equal to the key, then same thing. And then we sort. I guess we don't even need to sort because it's already going through in order. Oh no, I didn't. Mistake. Oh lordy. Where did I go wrong? Probably there, probably right there. All right, next problem. XOR operation in an array. You're given an integer n and an integer start. Define an array nums where nums I equals start plus 2 times I 0 index and n equals nums length. Return the bitwise XOR of all elements of nums. What are you talking about, man? Nums I equals start plus 2 times I. Is that what they want? I guess so. All right, next one. N-array tree post order traversal. Reset. Given the root of an n-array tree, return the post order traversal of its nodes values. I don't even remember what post order is. Pre-order. Wait, in order is left, current, right. Pre-order is current, left, right. Post order is left, right, current. Okay. So I'll do this with a lambda DFS function. That way I don't have to pass down things. Iterative? Man, what are you talking about? Iterative? Why do we want to do iterative post order? We only got 5 minutes. Alright, I can try. Are you saying this room is too easy for me? I have to challenge myself. So iterative means I should use some type of stack. And I guess we can push the roots while there's something in the stack. We gotta pop it off. And then we wanna go left. Go right. I wonder if I can just go add it to the thing. And then reverse it. I don't know if that will work. And then you go left, then you go right? No. How the hell do you do the... It's like, while... Oh, wait. No. While roots. Roxanne RTC. Well, go on. What's happening? Welcome. Got a contest soon. Trying to do some problems to warm up. Not doing too good tonight though. I feel like my brain is not functioning at 100%. So we gotta go add everything. Add everything left. Jesus. I don't know how to do this, no condom, Chris. Does any brain function at 100%? I think the science is still out on that. Well, I'd say my brain isn't functioning at its normal levels then. How about that? Man, how do you do this with iteration? It's like we gotta push all the left nodes and then push all the rights. think. Let me think. My Pomodoro break ended. I'm gonna go back to my JavaScript lesson. All right, see you later. Good luck on your JavaScript stuff, man. You know, that I think about it, I haven't done iterative DFS in a while. Yeah, I haven't done an iterative DFS since my Google interview 4 years ago, man. The one question that I bombed, iterative DFS. I still don't know how to do it, man. But I know you gotta go all the left nodes and then what? Maybe add a right node as well. So we gotta go all the way left for sure. All right. I think we need something like this. We gotta go all the way left as far as we can go. And once we can't go any more left, we process that node. So this will add everything 1 and 2. And now 2 is at the top. So this node is 2. We add it to our answer. We pop it off. And then it doesn't have anything to the right. So if it had something to the right, then we should add it to our stack. That way now when the 1 comes in, oh, this is an n-ary tree. There's no left or right, man. It's like, I gotta go left all the way on every... Man, this is tough. No condom Chris, I can't believe you asked me to do this iteratively, man, and expose me. Expose me like a fraud. Alright, so the children. I'm taking a little break. I don't spin up my brain too much here. The time is already up. Maybe we should move on. I'll look at a solution and then we'll move on, man. Iterative DFS. Still haven't figured it out. Recursive, easy. Iterative, tough. Oh, so we do reverse. I was thinking, how the heck are we gonna do this iteratively? And initially I had thought about reversing, but then I took it back. Maybe I should have stuck with my gut feeling, man. Wow, so easy. That's all you gotta do. Just reverse it at the end. I feel like a dummy right now, but it makes so much sense. I have to do it now? Yeah, it is easy. Come on, you think I'm gonna lie about that? So you just, while there's something in the stack, you pop it off. And then you go over the children. It's crazy. Typos, man. Typos. Whew. What I do wrong? What I do wrong, man? Push that. Yeah, and then you go visit all the children. You push them in. Why is my memory limit being exceeded? Oh, Leetwell, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's because I was going through the root thing. How are they gonna give me a test case like that, man? All right, there you go, no condom, Chris. I guess the hard one is in order. Pre-order and post-order are basically, pre-order would be like not reversing. Post-order is reversing, and then in order is like, who knows what the hell to do for in order, man. That's the one where you gotta go left all the way, and it gets weird. I think in order is the actual one I was confused with, man. I don't know how to do in order, no condom, Chris. That's the problem that I got in my Google interview that I couldn't do. And I told the guy, like, I give up. Anyways, we don't have time to do it in order. We should do another room, you know? I think give up is bad signal. Yeah, it definitely is a bad signal, man. Have you interviewed people at Google? I've interviewed like 2 people, and then I haven't interviewed anyone in years. But now I think hiring is picking back up in some places. In order traversal. Q, this is the one you want me to do right now? Oh, shit. Alright, we can try it. We can try it. bet didn't happen yet? Which bet? The weekly bet? Yeah, it didn't happen yet, man. We still got time. I usually do that about 30 minutes or 20 minutes before the contest. Yeah, but this week, not feeling it. Not feeling it at all. I didn't even want to stream today, man. I'm not gonna lie. I was taking a nap. I didn't want to get up. And then, on top of all that, we got a big fight tonight, man. We got Sean O'Malley, Marab. You know I want to watch that, so that's gonna be on my mind too. I'm never feeling it yet. Here we are. Hey, don't defense. You don't even take the contest, man. I guess you do it in like 15 minutes, so it's not a big deal. Do you watch a fight at home or you go out somewhere? I just watch it at home. Neil Wu's rich. Dang, 4 billion. It's balling. Hey, that's crazy. Well, that's his company name. Neil Wu. Look at that guy. $4 billion for faking demos. Is that what he did? And I can't even. They don't even have a website. That's crazy. How are you gonna? It must have a website, right? They have some bad SEO. Taurus Works, they're more legit company than any other I've seen. Dang, Taurus is on it too. Where can I see the startup squad or the lineup? Where's the team picture at, man? Hey, should I apply? San Francisco. Nah, if I applied and Neil Wu looked at my resume and he looked at my LeetCode profile, he's like, nah, this guy doesn't even deserve a chance. Imagine having Taurus and Neil Wu interview you for algorithms. Jesus, man. It's too much. Anyways, I don't even know. What do they do? Like, do people use Devin? Is Devin bumping? I haven't heard of Devin in such a long time, man. Hey, speaking of AI stuff, hey, I've been using Claude Code instead of Cursor. Just checking it out, and it's pretty cool. Maybe on Monday we'll do some Claude Code. At least a while ago they were busted for fake promo vids, or at least fake news promo vids. Thought they fell off. Yeah, maybe they fell off. Is it free? I think before they used to only offer it to the super duper max plan, but now it's available for the $20 a month plan. So I actually just bought Claude for a year just to try out Claude Code because everyone's been raving about it, man. I don't know if that's just like guerrilla marketing or something, but I figure it's worth it to just check it out myself. Taurus works on Devin. Interesting. I didn't think Taurus worked, man. I thought Taurus just... I don't even know what he'd do. Working on his PhD or something? Does he have a PhD? Alright, what should we do? Should we do another room? More elite rooms? Easy, medium problems, maybe? 30 minutes. Franco demise. What's happening? Who wins, Elon or Trump? Man, I've heard some crazy conspiracy theories about what's going on. I'm not gonna share them though. I'm just gonna mention that I've read them. Anyways, what is this? This is Tourist. We're looking at his profile. Man, 3rd place? What a loser. 12th? Jeez. Hey, he's not been doing too hot lately, man. Looks like he's retired. Oh, but man, look at that. Look at that streak of number 1s. Bro got in a fight with Scott Besant. Is that how you say it? Yeah, I read that. No comment, Chris. I read some things about that. I don't. Who knows? But he did have that black eye, right? Too focused on Devin. Yeah, losing the medals. I took pics at that MIT contest. He was there. Wait, this one. Yeah. I remember you shared some of those pictures. When he lost his first place in the last 5 minutes, there were gasps in the room. Lyric won in the last 5 minutes. Dang, that's like... I don't know who Lyric is, but... sounds like a interesting finish. Yeah, who's Lyric? Lyric is goated. Is this Lyric Japan? $26,000. Oh, who's Lyric? Hoss Lyric. Oh, snap. Yeah, he just went up from... just started bumping right there. Right now in DC, they are trying to make R&D tax deductible again for the calendar year incurred. What does that mean? Does that mean that everybody's gonna get hired and get jobs again, or do employee salaries count towards R&D? I don't know anything about business. Labor is cheaper. Wait, that was tourist Pearl Harbor? What? Anyways. Man, I'm feeling real lazy. That's for sure. I made this room. I don't even want to do it, man. I gotta save my brain juice. But maybe I'll do at least one. Not taking the contest either. Hey, Pixel Pusher, when was the last time you took a contest, man? What am I doing? Been ducking them? 3 weeks ducking contests. Come on, Pixel Pusher. You can't be scared. But you've been doing the virtuals, right? I think you'd have probably done good on some of them, especially that last contest. It sounds like you'd have done great. Yeah, it's been, man, it's almost been 4 weeks since you took one. Hey, I almost ducked out this contest, I'm not gonna lie, man. My sleep schedule is messed up lately. What time you going to bed? What time you waking up? Is it like bedtime soon, or do you just wake up? Hey, Pixel Pusher, do you have a job, or you're a student? Do you just graduate? Or what? Hey, there's a bi-weekly this morning. Why don't we just do the bi-weekly virtual, man? How much time? We got 48 minutes. Don't want to spend a little bit of time on the bi-weekly. Slept at like 4 a.m. and wake up at maybe 2 p.m. Man, that's a lot of sleep. So yeah, man, you're fresh. Yeah, you're fresh. You're good to go, man. I don't know why you're ducking it. All right, I want to peek on the virtual. Here we go. 10, 15, 20 minutes of the virtual. Let's see. That's Q1 maximize Y sum by picking a triplet of distinct X values. Dang. What the hell? You're given two integer arrays X and Y, each of length n. You must choose three distinct indices I, J, and K such that Xi not equal to Xj, Xj not equal to Xk, and Xk not equal to Xi. Your goal is to maximize the values of y, I, j, k under these conditions. Return the maximum possible sum that can be obtained by choosing such triplets of indices. It's actually sleep schedule for peak LeetCode Weekly performance. Yeah. Wait, I work remote. I see. I see what you're saying. How am I gonna do this? Good thing I didn't take this contest because I don't even really understand. You must choose three distinct indices such that the X numbers are not equal. And we're maximizing Y's and we're making sure that the X values are the distinct. So, alright, this one they say the answer is 14. So did I just remember like 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So I just remember the highest number for, I mean, like the X is like a group ID. And I remember the highest number or something. Yeah, like that. And then I do max 3, which is, I guess I can use a prior to Q. Maybe I remember a set of all the X's that I see here. And then if this is bigger than 3, I just pop. While there's something in the queue. Five, 3, 4, 14. Case 2, 13. That is not right. Okay, so if Your sleeping messes with alertness. Alright, should I send this? I'm gonna send it, man. Alright, Q1, easy work, easy work. Q2, best time to buy and sell stock, part 5. You are given an integer array prices where price is I is the price of a stock in dollars on the ith day and an integer k. You are allowed to make at most k transactions where each transaction can be either of the following. A normal transaction, buy on day I then sell on the day later j, where I less than j. Your profit is the difference in price. Short selling transactions, you sell on day I then buy back on a day later j, where I less than j. Your profit is price is I minus price is j. Note that you must complete each transaction before starting another. Additionally, you can't buy or sell on the same day you are selling or buying back as a part of your previous transaction. Return the maximum total profit you can earn by making at most k transactions. Can I do this one, man? Let me think. We can either do a normal transaction or a short sale. 10 to the 3? What the heck is that, man? It's like 1,000, so maybe they're looking for an n squared solution. Wait, weekends, you wake up at 2 p.m. Weekdays, wake up at 9 to 10 a.m. I usually work 9 to 5 or 10 to 6. It's a pretty trash game dev company, but they pay good. I've saved enough work and quit and not work for over a year trying to get into actual software or just make my own projects. Pixel Pusher, what kind of games are you working on, man? Do you think the games are cool, or you think, I mean, you call it a trash game dev company. Is it a company that we would know? Or is it like a not even a popular company? No, I hate them, so I don't want to share. I see. Alright. Hey, what do you do on the games? Are you... I don't know anything about game dev. Are you doing like some type of... I don't know. I don't even know what game devs do, man. You work on a title screen or the character movements, you know? Alright, I don't know if I can solve Q2, man. I'd think of some DP maybe, where we go down these two different paths where you either do a normal transaction or you sell, but then I don't even know how to cache things on this or set up stuff, you know, like yeah, I have no idea what I do. Normal. So if it's a normal or a short sale, then we still, it's just, yeah, maybe we just need like some type of boolean on. All right, let me try. 10 minutes I'll give it before I give up. So if we're out of bounds, what does it mean? It means we can't make any more money. Do we need some type of boolean here? Oh shit. Maybe also need like previous. current, the previous, and if it's a short. Man. So I guess at every index you have 3 choices. You can either do, you can buy it, you can sell it, or you can skip it. Like maybe you don't even do anything on that day. So we can buy, we can sell, and we can skip, right? So if we bought on that day, we can only buy if we're not holding anything previous, right? We can't buy 2 things at once. So then we can buy. So, and then when we buy, it's gonna be previous is I. And is it a short? No, it won't be short. If we sell, we can only sell, I guess we can sell even if previous is -1. If previous is -1, then we're short selling. Wait, let me think. If the previous... Oh, this is weird. So if is short, then... If it's a short, then the profit is equal to prices I minus prices previous, right? But if it's not a short, then wait. I think I got that the wrong way. Should I just call this J? No. No. Previous and current. So short selling, it's gonna be the previous minus you sell it on that day, so that's positive on the previous. Yeah, I got it backwards. And you buy it back on the current day. Anyways, I only got 5 minutes, man. So, let me try and think. Previous would be -1 after we sell, right? And if we do a short sell, then I would be, previous would be, is short would be true. And if we skip, it would just be I plus 1, previous is whatever it was before, and this is whatever it was before. And then we just want to return the max. Of all of that. And then I have to memorize it. But let me see if it gives a correct answer before I do all that. Fun problem. Maybe. What's happened? Mathematical turtle. Alright, my answer is not correct. 31, 8. I'm not guessing enough. Oh, wait. Maybe. Six. And then you set it. Regular cell. You take the profit. Now we're not holding, so previous is -1. How come I'm getting 8? So I buy and I sell at 9. Why would I not get any more? So I want to buy and I sell at this index for 6. And then I short sell. Let me look at the short sell. So at 9, I wonder if I should just add 9 here if I short sell. Top down. Hey, you don't like my top down stuff, man? I can only do top down. I haven't even tried for not top down. I wonder if I should. I mean, I could probably refactor these things a bit where if I short sell, I just take those profits immediately. No, but then I have to sell it, right? Alright, so I put the thing, I short sell there. Go to the next index. And then I want to skip that one. And then I want to like buy it. So it should come in here. Previous is not -1. Previous should be 2. Age short should be true. So the profit should be prices 9 minus prices I, which is 6. And then we get sell is 6 plus that should return 0. Man, how am I getting 8? I don't know. Can't solve it. Good thing I didn't take this contest this morning. Wait. Buy and sell 8, and then you short sell 6, or 7 and 6. That's, yeah. So buy 1, sell it at 9. Oh, I see why. Because this is coming in as -1 previous. This should be, if previous is -1, then we can buy. No, right? 14, okay. This one is wrong though, 36 to 40. Alright, so this was a mistake for sure. If previous is -1, that's when we can buy. And then why am I not getting the right answer for example 2 though? Who knows, man? Who knows? It ain't me. Scary Sticks from YouTube, what's happening? Alright, let me just chill before the contest. Let me start the bet. Close some of these dang windows. 26 minutes until the LeetCode contest. Feeling real lazy. But let's start the prediction. Will my rating go up or down? And I'll give you, man, 30 minutes? Nah. Should I give you 20 minutes? Or should we start this when the timer is at 20? Because I don't want people to vote after, you know? After the contest starts. Alright, we'll start the bet in 5 minutes. Let me go get some more water. Be right back. Alright, man. We're almost ready. Contest starts in 23 minutes. Asker SV, thank you very much for the follow. Alright, so here's my rating. This is the bet that we're doing. We're betting on whether my rating goes up or down. Right now, I'm at 1959, and I'll show you my previous contest performances. So I've been on a really bad losing streak until the last 2 contests. I finally got some green. But but will I go up or down, man? That's what we're trying to bet on. Look at all this red. Lots of red, but last two. Plus 21, plus 43. You guys ready for that? 22 minutes to go until the contest. All right, 2 more minutes and then I'll start the bet, man. I don't think I'd go up. If I were to bet, I would say my rating goes down. But I'm not gonna bet because I can't bet. I'm just like not feeling like doing the contest tonight, you know. But I'll do it anyways. All right, 1 minute 30 seconds to go. How does one win a LeetCode challenge? Be the fastest to write it? Yeah, in the contest, the person who finishes all the problems the fastest without any mistakes wins. And each mistake that you make, each wrong answer that you give is a 5-minute penalty. I think the contest will be 1 medium and 3 hards. That's what it feels like lately, man. Even though the problems say medium, some of the medium problems really feel hard. Did they ever do that? Pixel Pusher, I feel like the last 3 months it's kind of like that. Are you interested in interviewing for fun? We can bet on those. Wait, what do you mean no condom, Chris? Interviewing for fun? Like apply at companies and just interview? And then bet on what? Whether I pass the interview or not? Based on my performance? Nah, that would be crazy. I don't know if I want to do that. That's a lot of work. 3 French omelets. What's happening? I saw you in the room. This morning's Q2 was labeled medium, but would have been hard 5 years ago. Oh yeah, I was just trying that Q2, man. I think it was kind of tough. I didn't even solve it. I gave up. The bi-weekly was 2 mediums, 2 hards, though the second question was actually kind of hard. I see. That's why you guys are saying 3 hards, 1 medium. There are simple JavaScript questions. No, there isn't any questions for JavaScript only, but all the questions on the contest can be solved by any language. Yeah, they've been doing some Q1 mediums, which is weird. Yeah, I don't like the Q1 mediums, man. I think that the contest should be... oh, wait, let me start the bet. My bad. Bet is all that start prediction. Yeah, I think the contest should be welcoming to beginners. Like, beginners do easy problems, and I think if a beginner takes a contest and then they just get hit with a medium problem immediately, I don't think they'll be taking any contest for a long time. So I don't know why they try and make Q1 so hard these days. It's becoming super competitive. But maybe it's a reflection of what the industry is like right now. You gotta be that good to get a job, apparently. I don't really know, because I don't interview. Alright, place your bets, place your bets. Will my rating go up or down? Making Q1 harder isn't stopping cheaters. Yeah, that's how I feel, man. Like, Q1 being hard isn't, like why? Give some people who aren't that skilled yet a chance at still competing in some ways, you know? Alright, 17 minutes until the contest starts. I went for EA and put a ton of effort into getting it, and it feels like they didn't even see it. Dang. Hey, what should we do until the contest starts? Should we do bomb game? What's that? Bomb game. But you don't lose much from attempting a question, right? No, you don't lose anything for attempting if you don't solve it. Alright, while we're waiting on the contest to start, let us do a little bomb game, bomb party, whatever it's called. Alright, you gotta join real quick because it starts super fast. So if you're in there, you gotta hit join game right now. Right now. Immediately. Here we go, here we go. Oh. Oh. IRR? What the hell? Jesus. Alright, contest starts in 17 minutes. So if you don't know how to play, you gotta type in a word that has the letters in the bomb. A word that has RON in there, yeah. Bomb game. STS. Alright, I gotta win this, man. ES. I'm joining these games and I don't know what's going on. We're typing words that have the substring in there, like OL is in jolly. Elephant. Oh man. CTI? Oh, CTI? Dang, Robo Chad. No Connor Chris. How do you think of that? I should wait till it points to you. Yeah, you should wait till it points to you. Then it's your turn. Well, you didn't join yet. Maybe you didn't join yet. Oh shit, that's me. Alright, how much time we got until the contest, man? 14 minutes. GIC? Magic. No, it goes more than 5 players, but you have to join before the game starts. You can't join during the game while it's going on. You can probably get in the next round. What kind of... Alright, if you want to join, you gotta join now. Join real quick. You got 10 seconds to join, man. Look at that. It goes real fast. All right, we'll do one more round and then it's contest time probably. All right, guests, you're up. LS. You gotta find a word that has LS in it. T-O-U. What did you just type, man? It's crazy. That's what it is. Man, Jesus. ICR, that's a tough one. Oh, good word, micro. Dang, it blew up as they were finishing up typing. Oh, no wonder I can't hear it, man. The volume all the way down. Man, there's a lot of people still alive. E-R-I? What the hell, man? Clicks also joined, didn't get added, wanna try. Yeah, I don't know why it goes so fast. Like, it should just allow people to join, you know? Explain the game. When the arrow goes to your name, you gotta type a word that has that thing in there, like UB, ST is in stamp, NA in national, bling, LIN is in bling. That's the game. So OCS, you gotta find a word that has OCS in there. The letters at the bottom, if you use all these letters, you get an extra life. So I gotta use Y, D, F, K, P, Q, V, W, and I get an extra life. Dang. Oscillate. How do you even think of that word? Oh, active is telling people what's up. Alright, here we go. Tur. And we got 9 minutes until the contest. Or 8 minutes. 8 minutes. RRA. No column Chris is out of there. What are you talking about? Don't defense. Raytheon. Wait. Five people left in this game. 4 people left in this game. Dang. Ooh, RTE. Whew. I was about to blow up, man. Jesus Christ. 4 people left. Need more on up for the bet. Alright, 7 minutes or 6 minutes until the contest. D. Is Sith a word? I should have used a different word, but whatever. I'm trying to use my letters. Oh, IGN? I need DFQV. I need Q and V now. Q and V, man. Whew. Easy. Alright, I don't think we got time for another one, man. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't got time. Let me see what's going on with the bet. Going for a psychic? Yeah, I don't know what I would have said for that word. Alright, the bet says, dang, need more on down. Talking about need more on up. It's, oh dang, don't defense coming in. 3-3-3. Chances are my rating is going down because I haven't been training and my mind isn't there today. Alright. 5 minutes or 4 minutes until the contest. Hey, should we do GeoGuessr real quick? Or no? We don't got time. We don't got time. Don't want me to sign up? We don't got time to sign up, man. Alright, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. I don't know what the new LeetCode cam is gonna look like. Maybe I just leave it on the type racer cam. Maybe it's just gonna be like this, man. Time to perform. I'm gonna try. Simon's good at bomb game? No, I'm not, man. You guys. Well, I don't know any words. I'm not that good at bomb game. No column Chris is good at bomb game. Alright, we gotta set a timer to something. 50. So we got 90 minutes for the contest. So I'll start this countdown now. I'll put in 93 minutes because the contest starts in 3 minutes. Here we go. Alright, guys. Hopefully we do good on this contest, man. I'm not trying to duck out like Pixel Pusher, you know. Pixel Pusher ducking the contest for 3 whole weeks, man. I'm doing it on alt? Okay. I like that. I like that. At least you're taking it. Don't duck it completely. It's not... I'm not trying to duck anything. I'm half awake and I'm still taking it. Yeah, me too. Me too. I'm half awake. I've been playing No Man's Sky. The last time I played No Man's Sky was like 4 years ago. And man, I look at the store page and it's like every 3 months they have a major update to this game, man. So this game is very inspiring. I don't know if you guys know about the story of No Man's Sky, but they promised all these crazy things. They released the game in like 2016 and it flopped because no one liked it. But they never gave up, man. They never gave up on the game, and every year or every few months they released an update. And they've been doing that for the last almost 8 years, 9 years. And now, after just consistently working on it, it's now like one of the best comeback stories of all time in the gaming industry. And it's inspiring to me because it's like, as long as you just keep working on your thing, man, I think it's eventually it will take its form, and I kind of want to do something like that. Anyways, contest is starting. No more time to joke around. Less than 1 minute to go. If you have not registered for the contest, make sure you register because it costs you a few seconds to register. I just registered right now. Development of No Man's Sky is nuts. Yeah, one of my favorite stories in gaming for sure. Alright, 30 seconds to go. And then we'll see if I can concentrate the full contest. Alright, 10 seconds. Lock in. See you on the other side. Q1 done. Q2. stuck. Stuck on Q2. It's gonna be a bad contest. Man, I'm about to give up. Can't think of anything. Man, I'm about to give up for real. I don't know, man. I think I just thought myself into a corner. I can't figure out Q2, man. I don't know why. Hey Q, this contest is insane for difficulty. Yeah, I don't know, man. I might call it and just take my L. Man, I've been on Q2 for a long time. Can't think of anything. Tried a bunch of stuff, bunch of wrong answers. Alright. Do I quit? I think I'm just gonna quit, man. I'm sorry. I can't do it. Alright, I quit, man. I'm a rage quit. Can't do it. Here I am, Q1, 4 minutes, 18 seconds. Q2, who knows, man. Q3, I looked at Q3 for a bit. I don't think I can solve Q3. Q4, didn't even look at Q4. Chances are I probably can't solve Q4 either, you know? Alright, let me go raid somebody. Anybody doing LeetCode besides me? Waggy is coding. Code Wars. Alright, I gotta go, man. I'm not feeling it. Can't concentrate on that problem. What the hell is this contest? Banana Butcher, that's how I feel. Like, what the hell kind of Q2 rated at 4 points? It seems a little hard, but maybe I'm overcomplicating things. But I'll take this L. I've taken so many losses lately that taking an L doesn't even faze me anymore, man. Anyways, I'm gonna go chill for the rest of the night. I got a UFC fight to watch, and I'm gonna do some other things. How did I do? I did real bad. I only got Q1 Pixel Pusher. My rank is probably gonna fall. I'm probably gonna end up being like 7,000 rated, 8,000 after everyone submits. But I can't be bothered. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time, man. Glad I didn't take it. Yeah, I should have skipped this one too. I should have ducked it like you. But we'll be alright. We'll be alright. Just that. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in. Pixel Pusher, Icy Black Deep. Long game pays off. Q Ultimus. See you next time. Everybody, adios.